and I will be your English teacher for today. Welcome back to my class. I hope you have been staying safe and sound at home and have watched all the videos that we have put up for you. So the topic for today is nouns. N-O-U-N-S, nouns. Now what are nouns? Nouns are everywhere around us. Everything that is there around us has a name. And those naming words that are used are called nouns. For example, I have this thing in my hand. This thing is called a ruler. Ruler is a noun. So the naming words used are called nouns. Now I want you to look at a few pictures and tell me what you see in them. What do you see here, students? You are right. You can see a teacher and students. Now, teacher and students are naming words used for people. The naming word used for a person is called noun. Teacher is a person. Students are people. Hence, naming words used for person are called nouns. Look at this picture. What do you see? Yes, you can see a house. A house is a place that we live in. And so, naming words used for places are also called nouns. House is the noun. Now look at this next picture. Who do you see? You can see a tiger and you can see a cow. These are animals, and naming words that are used for these animals are also called nouns. Here you can see some things: a bag, crayons and flour. These are all things, and naming words used to describe these things are called nouns. So students, what are nouns? Nouns are naming words. They are the naming words used for person, place, animal and thing. Repeat with me. They are the naming words used for person, place, animal and thing. The name of the person or the naming word used for the person here is teacher and students. The naming word used for this place is house. The naming word used for these animals are cow and tiger. And the naming words used for these things are bag, crayons and flour. Students, I believe you have understood what I have taught you today. Now let's move on to another small activity where you will have to identify the objects and help me stick them on the board in the correct column according to person, place, animal and thing. Now what do you see here? You are right. You can see a yummy ice cream cone. And this ice cream cone is a thing. So which column will we stick it in? The thing column. What do you see here? Yes, you can see a classroom. A classroom is a place. It is a naming word used for a place. And so, we will stick this under the place column. Now, who do you see here? Yes, we can see a little boy. Boy is the noun or the naming word used for this person. And so we are going to stick this boy under the person column. Finally, who can you see here? We can see a cat. A cat is an animal. And cat is the noun or the naming word used for this animal. And so we will stick it under which column? Right, the animal column. Students, let's go over these nouns. The naming word used for this person is boy. The naming word used for this place is classroom. The naming word used for this animal is cat. And the naming word used for this thing is ice cream cone. So all these naming words are nouns. Look at this picture. Who do you see? Yes, we can see a doctor. A doctor is a person. And so this noun or this person is going to be stuck in the person column. Who do you see here? We can see a animal. And this is a lion. A lion is the naming word used for this animal. And so it is to be stuck in the animal column. Take a look here. What do you see? You can see a school. I'm sure you are missing your school right now. So school is a place. And we will stick this noun in the place column. What do we see here? Yes, we can see a Caesar. A Caesar is a thing. The naming word or noun used is Caesar. And we will stick it under the thing column. Look at this picture. This is a little girl. She is a person. The noun used here for this person is girl. And we will stick it under the person column. What do we have here? We have a tree. A tree is a thing. And so we are going to stick this thing, the tree, under the thing column. Which animal do you see here? You can see a dog. The dog is the noun used for this animal. So it is going under the animal column. And finally, what do you see? This is our favorite place, right? The beach is a place. So we will stick it under the place column. Now that we have stuck the pictures, let's go over them one more time. Naming words are called nouns. They can be name of a person, the naming word used for a place, the naming word used for animal, or the naming word used for things. The nouns we have used for all these pictures are boy, classroom, cat, ice cream cone, doctor, school, lion, Caesar, girl, beach, dog, and tree. So now that you have understood this part, we can move on to our next activity. So students, now that you know how to identify nouns around you, I have a few naming words or nouns written on paper, and I want you to help me stick them in the correct column. The first word I have is Z-O-O, zoo. Zoo is a place. And where do we stick the noun zoo? Under the place column. Next, we have another naming word. B-U-S, bus. Bus is a naming word used for a thing. And so, we will stick it under the thing column. What is this word? C-A-T. I'm sure you know. C-A-T. Cat. A cat is an animal. And the noun used here is cat. And we stick it under the naming word used for an animal column. Now which word is this? P-A-R-K. P-A-R-K. Park. A park is a place. And so this noun will be stuck under the place column. B-A-K-E-R. Baker. A baker is the naming word used for a person. And so we are going to stick this noun under the person column. Look at this. S-H-O-P. Shop. S-H-O-P. Shop. A shop is a naming word used for a place. And we will stick it under the place column. Yes, G-O-A-T, goat. And who is the goat? Goat is an animal. And so we will stick this noun under the animal column. Can you spell this with me? F-A-T-H-E-R. Father. F-A-T-H-E-R. Father. And father is a person. So this is the naming word or the noun used for a person. Spell with me. S-I-N-G-E-R. S-I-N-G-E-R. A singer. Who is a singer? A singer is a person who sings. So this is a naming word used for a person. Spell this word with me. B-A-L-L. Now say it out loud. Ball. Ball is the naming word of a thing. And so we will stick it under the thing column. B-E-A-R. Bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. A bear is an animal. And this is this noun will be stuck under the animal column. What is this? C-U-P, cup. C-U-P, cup. A cup is a thing and will be stuck under the thing column. And I have one last word. G-O-A. Goa. Goa is a state. G-O-A, Goa. And this is a place. So we will stick it under the place column. Say all the nouns together again, children. Baker, father, singer. The naming words or the nouns for person. Zoo, park, shop, Goa. The naming words for place. Cat, goat, bear. The naming words used for animals. Bus, ball, cup. These are the naming words used for things. Now I have a few more sentences that I want you to solve with me. Students, I will read out these sentences for you and you will have to circle along with me the correct noun. The boy is playing. The boy is playing. What is the naming word or the noun used in this sentence? Yes, it is boy. Boy is the noun because it is the naming word used for a person. This book is heavy. This book is heavy. Which is the noun? Book. Why did I circle book? Because it is the naming word used for a thing. The dog is barking. The dog is barking. I will circle dog. And I have circled dog because it is the naming word or the noun used for an animal. The room is clean. The room is clean. I will circle room because it is the naming word or the noun used for place. Next sentence. Mother is cooking. Mother is cooking. I will circle mother. Why? Because mother is the noun or the naming word used for a person. Students, I hope you have understood what are nouns. Let's repeat one last time. Nouns are naming words used for person, place, animal and thing. I want you to look around you and find the different nouns present there, and you tell your parents. So until next time, I hope you study well and thank you.